I chair and lead on the steering group for the University Health Board, and the aim of that and the purpose is to oversee the implementation of a set of healthy eating standards which we're implementing within our restaurant and retail provision. Ultimately, the main aim is for us to make sure at least 75% of the food offer is classified as healthy, and we do that by using the Food Standards Agency traffic light labelling. And our main ethos is making the healthy choice the easy choice. It's important to have a wide range of perspectives on the steering group because they bring different expertise to the group. For example, I've really increased my knowledge of the catering side of service and the procurement side of service.
So because I'm restaurant retail manager, I'm on the shop floor, we get feedback from customers, feedback from staff as well that work for us, and I can feed back into the steering group, so it's always good to know exactly what our customers and our visitors are wanting from us as a service. For me, I'm in those steering group meetings, I get all the information I need to. It's about how we feed that back then to our staff so that they're aware of why we're doing it, what we're doing, so they can see the benefits of it as well.
Value can mean different things. From an income generation perspective, it's about making more money, whereas quality on a public health side would be more weighted towards the healthier food offering. So our role is to mediate that and then define that in a final requirement. That's really what our role boils down to, is understanding best practice, it's understanding what the market offering is, and it's understanding what the requirements are from a health board perspective, communicating them well, and then influencing, what value means to those set of stakeholders.
I think what we've learned in hindsight is it does take a lot longer than we initially thought, because we are making quite big changes to the food service. Not only what people see on the ground, but people's attitudes and getting the acceptance of why we're making the changes and what we're offering in terms of food provision. So it's given us the chance to sort of sit back and think about what we're doing and align to some of the other work that's been going on in terms of making sure food provision is improved and healthier.